Ever looked inside a chamomile tea bag? Most of us just toss it in a mug, add hot water, and wait for that soothing golden brew. But if you pause and look closer, you'll find a tiny world inside. It's more than dried flowers. It's a packet of potential. Hidden among the petals are tiny seeds, ready to grow if given the chance. Your next cup of tea could be the start of a new plant. Imagine sipping your tea, then using what's left to grow something beautiful. Growing chamomile from a tea bag is simple and rewarding. All you need is soil, a pot, and a little patience. Watching green shoots emerge from what you might have thrown away is a quiet thrill, a reminder of nature's hidden life. Your garden's next chapter could start with your next cup of tea. Chamomile isn't just for tea, it's a powerhouse in the garden. Its daisy-like blooms attract bees and beneficial insects, boosting pollination and biodiversity. Chamomile is also a time-honored medicinal herb, soothing and calming, ready to harvest right outside your door. As a companion plant, it helps keep neighbors like cabbage and broccoli healthy, naturally deterring pests. Its scent confuses unwanted insects, reducing the need for chemicals. Planting chamomile means supporting your garden's health, wildlife, and your own well-being. One humble herb, many gifts. Add it to your garden and watch the benefits multiply. To grow chamomile, start by choosing the right tea bag. Look for bags with whole, dried chamomile flowers, not powdery blends. Pure chamomile is best. Avoid mixes with other herbs. Check the label for Matricaria recutita or Chamomile nobile. Gently squeeze the bag, feel for bumpy flower heads, not just dust. If possible, peek inside. Tiny pale seeds mean you're on the right track. Snip open the bag and pour the contents onto a white surface. Spot those seeds? You're ready to plant. No need to separate every seed, just confirm they're there. Now let's get planting. Ready to plant? Let's slow down and savor the process. Planting seeds is a gentle ritual, a quiet moment to connect with nature. Did you know you can sow chamomile seeds straight from a tea bag? It's a simple, resourceful way to start your own little garden. Fill a small pot with seed starting mix and moisten it, just damp enough to welcome the seeds. Sprinkle the tea bag contents on the surface. Chamomile seeds need light to sprout, so don't bury them. Cover with clear plastic wrap and place in a warm, bright spot. Mist as needed to keep moist. In a week or two, tiny green shoots will appear, a gentle reminder of the magic in small beginnings. When your chamomile seedlings have their first true leaves, thin out the weaker ones, leaving only the strongest. This gives your plants space and nutrients to thrive. Once they're sturdy and frost has passed, transplant them into bigger pots or your garden, choosing a sunny spot with good airflow. Chamomile loves full sun and well-drained soil. Water deeply, but let the soil dry a bit between waterings. Overwatering can cause root rot. Harvest flowers on dry, sunny mornings as petals open. Pick regularly to encourage more blooms. Dry the flowers thoroughly and store in airtight jars. Enjoy chamomile's soothing benefits all year long. Chamomile is simple to grow and endlessly rewarding, bringing beauty and calm to your home or garden.